gotta grieve for my mama, cause I don't think I'ma do too much longer. I'm fed up.
What's up, tech fam? You're not going to believe what just showed up at my door. Samsung has absolutely outdone themselves this time. We're talking about the future of foldables, the device we've all been waiting for, the Samsung Galaxy Z TriFold. This is legitimately the most expensive phone I've ever held, and honestly, I'm a little nervous. But before we dive in, if you're excited about this absolute unit of a device, smash that like button and subscribe. We've got so much more foldable content coming your way. Okay, so first impressions. Samsung went premium with the packaging. This matte black box with the silver Z logo is giving serious luxury vibes. It's significantly larger than the Z Fold 6 box, which makes sense because we're dealing with 3 screens here, people. On the side here, you can see Galaxy Z TriFold in that minimalist Samsung font. And on the back, storage capacity, 1 terabyte standard. Yeah, you heard that right. No 256GB base model nonsense here. The weight of this box alone tells me there's some serious tech packed inside. Let's not waste any more time. Let's get into it. Alright, breaking the seal, and wow, look at that. Sitting right on top, wrapped in this protective fabric sleeve, there it is. The Samsung Galaxy Z TriFold in Phantom Black. Oh my, this thing is substantial. I mean, I knew it would be bigger, but holding it? Different experience entirely. Let's see what else is in the box. We've got USB-C to USB-C cable, braided cable, nice touch. 45-watt super fast charger. They actually included the charger this time. Thank you, Samsung. SIM ejector tool, classic. Protective case. Wait, this is interesting. A trifold case that actually looks device first look. Okay, peeling off the protective film is always satisfying, but with 3 displays, this is next level ASMR. So when it's fully closed, the Z TriFold is about the size of a regular smartphone. Think Galaxy S24 Ultra dimensions. Maybe slightly thicker at 13.9mm. You've got a gorgeous 6.4-inch cover display with that smooth 120Hz AMOLED panel. Now, the first unfold, and we're at tablet size, 8.1 inches. This is already bigger than the Z Fold 6 when fully opened. The hinge feels solid, guys. No creaking, no wobbling. But wait, there's more. Second unfold, and boom, full 10.5-inch display. This is a legitimate tablet replacement. Look at this screen real estate. When fully extended, we're looking at a 10.5-inch AMOLED display with a 2960 by 2240 resolution, 120Hz adaptive refresh rate, and Samsung claims 2000 nits peak brightness. The aspect ratio changes depending on how you fold it, which is genius for multitasking. Let's talk about these hinges because this is where Samsung really innovated. We're dealing with 2 independent flex hinges here, what they're calling the dual axis hinge system. You can fold it like a Z, like an S, or keep it flat. Each position locks in place with this satisfying magnetic snap. Samsung says these hinges are rated for 200,000 folds. That's about 5 years of opening and closing it 100 times per day. Now, the creases, yes, they're there. You can see them, especially in direct light. But I'll say this, they're less noticeable than previous generation folds. When you're actually using the device, watching content or working, your brain kind of filters them out. Specs rundown. Let's rapid fire through the specs because this thing is loaded. Processor, Snapdragon 8 Gen. RAM, 16GB base, no other options. Storage. Battery, 6000 mAh split across the 3 panels. Charging, 45 watts wired, 25 watts wireless, 10 watts reverse wireless. Cameras, 200 megapixel main wide sensor, ultra wide, 10 megapixel 3 times telephoto, 10 megapixel 10 times periscope telephoto, 10 megapixel cover camera. Software: Android 15 with One UI 7. Durability: check this out. Taskbar at the bottom, just like a laptop. Drag and drop apps into split screen, and you can have up to 5 apps open simultaneously when fully unfolded. 2 main apps side by side and 3 floating windows. App continuity is seamless. I can start something on the cover screen, unfold once, it adjusts, unfold again, still perfect. This is what foldable software should be. Camera quick test. Quick camera test. This 200 megapixel sensor is insane. The detail, the colors, the dynamic range. Samsung's really not messing around. And with the dual hinges, you've got crazy flex mode angles for hands-free shots. Content creators are going to love this. Real talk. Okay, real talk time. Is this phone perfect? No. Is it for everyone? Absolutely not. At $2,799, this is firmly in ultra premium luxury territory. But here's what I'll say. Samsung is pushing the boundaries of what's possible. This isn't just an incremental upgrade. This is a completely new form factor that actually makes sense. The engineering that went into making this work is mind-blowing. Who is this for? Power users, content creators, people who want to replace their phone and tablet with one device, tech enthusiasts who want the absolute cutting edge. So there you have it, the Samsung Galaxy Z TriFold in all its glory. Over the next few weeks, I'll be putting this thing through its paces. Battery tests, durability tests, camera comparisons, the works. What do you think? Is the TriFold future here? Or is this too much phone? Let me know in the comments below. And seriously, if you enjoyed this unboxing, that like button is right there. Help a creator out. I'm genuinely excited to live with this device. Make sure you're subscribed with notifications on so you don't miss the full review coming soon. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.